This is the second idea I've had for the design for the row at Edible Eastbrook. This time it's a bit less interesting to look at, but very productive. I've got the existing trees here going along the side, and as before, the main path going along the more shady side of the site. Then I've got patches shown in yellow, which are herbaceous perennials, repeating all the way along. Rows of berry bushes or some kind of shrubby plant here, and each area there's about 30 of them. I've also included them in between the trees, again going in a kind of this is a more of a north-south kind of orientation here. And then I've got these clumps of larger plants at intervals as well, and these are meant to represent things like hazel or willow, which, as everyone now knows, has got millions of uses as ramey or woodchip or structural plant or medicinal or a bee plant. Just an incredible plant to have in your site. So there'll be clumps of these. And also on this particular site there is an issue with a bit too much water being in the soil, which would be partly addressed by the pond that I've got here, where we could have some drainage lines going along, going into it, but also by planting things like willow in the site will help the trees growing alongside that sometimes show signs of stress, such as lots of different pests and diseases. So that if we had willow or some other fast growing plant, that could help with that. So yeah, this is the second idea.